Thank you, Jeff. A jury in Washington, D.C. convicted 5 members of the far-right group known as the Proud Boys on serious felony charges. Ken Delanian explains why they now face decades in prison for their actions during the most significant Capitol riot case in U.S. history.
Prosecutors called them the key instigators of the January 6th assault on the U.S. Capitol.
American citizens are storming the Capitol.
After a 3-month trial, a jury tonight has found 5 members of the notorious extremist group the Proud Boys guilty of most of the charges against them. 4 of the 5 defendants, including the group's former leader, Enrique Tarrio, were convicted of seditious conspiracy, a Civil War-era law making it a crime to violently resist the authority of the U.S. government. 4 were convicted of trying to obstruct the certification of President Biden's Electoral College victory, and all 5 were convicted of interfering with the duties of members of Congress, many of whom found themselves running for their lives on January 6th.
Today's verdict makes clear that the Justice Department will do everything in its power to defend the American people and American democracy.
The evidence coming in some cases from the defendants' own mouths.
January 6th will be a day in infamy.
The significance of the verdict in this case definitely goes not only to these defendants, but to others as well in other investigations.
Prosecutors have not established that the Capitol attack was planned in advance, but told jurors the defendants set out that day to act as Donald Trump's army, trying to illegally keep the former president in power.
Proud Boys, stand back and stand by.
Citing that infamous comment during a 2020 presidential debate, defense attorneys blamed Trump, asserting their commander-in-chief sold them a lie.
And if you don't fight like hell, you're not going to have a country anymore.
The jury couldn't decide on some counts, but the 5 Proud Boys face decades in prison based on today's verdict.